The OtterOasis 55 to 75 gallon stand in white feels reassuringly solid with a reinforced frame that comfortably handles the weight of large aquariums or terrariums without wobble. Its cabinet with an adjustable shelf is genuinely useful, giving you flexible space for food, filters, and maintenance gear while keeping everything out of sight. The lower tier can hold a smaller 10 to 20 gallon tank, which makes this stand a smart choice for anyone running multiple setups in a compact area. A built-in power station with multiple outlets and a safety switch makes it much easier to plug in lights, filters, and heaters while keeping cords organized through the cable openings. The farmhouse-inspired design with barn-style doors and a wood-textured top looks more like a piece of furniture than a utility stand, so it blends nicely into a living room or office. Assembly is straightforward, with the included tools and clear instructions, and having two people on the job makes the process quicker and the structure feel very secure.